reporter yan.
What's your wife doing? See you in a few weeks.
See you.
Hi, see ya. Yeah, no worry. Next, in 3 weeks.
See you in 2 weeks.
Time check. Ano na guys? 3:45. Kanina pa nakali sila race mga 1 o'clock. Andito na pala yung mga bata. Ayan. Binibilang na. Ngayon pa lang nila binibilang yung kanilang mga lollies. Si Kuya tsaka si Holly. Si Zach, wala. Kumakain siya ng lollies. Ayun yung kanya. O, nasa pillowcase. Para sila ni Kuya. Ayan yung kay Holly. Ayan na rin si Zach. Zach, can you grab that Holly stockings there, Zach? That stocking. Mamaya may dancing si Holly maya-maya.
How's this? I got one more. Have this, Kuya. Kuya TJ. Kuya TJ.
Oh, you got hard lollies. I like them.
Kuya TJ.
So can I get a red booba?
Kuya
I'll swap
TJ.
you something.
Can I have this?
Not like. Yeah. Look.
Nagsaswap-swapan sila. Holly, stop grabbing. Ask Kuya first.
You can have that. This.
Kay uniform pa sila kasi kararating-rating lang nila sa school.
Oh, this was mine. Okay, Kuya TJ. I will swap you.
Oh.
Oh, Dad, I know which one you
Here,
want.
Dad. Cherry right.
Nah,
No, cherry right. I don't want this.
Here.
How many lollies you got, yeah?
I think over 50 because I ate a lot last night.
A what?
Over 50.
Over 50 daw sa kanya. How about you, Holly? How about you, Zach?
6, 7,
Zach,
8,
Because I didn't count.
how many you got?
I got like 30,
30. Pagod na pagod yan si Johnny Boy. Kasi nga diba? Pero nagnap yan.
20, 20, 21.
Tingnan niyo si Jen. Dami yun ng chocolates na kain. Tulog kasi yan si Jen ng pagdating nila eh.
Holly.
Yung nakita niya kanina, kagising lang. Binibigyan siya ng chocolate ni Kuya. Tinago na ni Holly yung chocolates niya. Come on, put that in the bag now, please. Not in the pillowcase. Put that in the laundry so I can wash that one. Kaya doon sa kayo sa school, what happened? Oy.
Tripped over.
Huh? Tip over?
Yeah, and then I clapped my knee into someone's freaking hard bone bit.
Sakit daw yung paa niya. Come on, Baba. Get dressed now.
It's swollen.
Oh. Yes, it is.
Wow.
Yeah, poor Kuya Zach.
I was crying.
Did you cry?
Yeah, it freaking hurted.
Oh, don't say freak. What the teacher said.
She didn't give a crap. I had to yell out.
Huh?
She was just talking so much I had to yell out. I had to yell.
To him.
Her.
Who's that?
It's grandma.
And then what she said.
Go to the office, get an ice pack.
He decided not to.
You have to because that's why.
Mom, do you have any pancakes left?
No more. Tomorrow you can have
How does
pancakes.
that
This
work?
time, Craig.
Oh my God, Craig.
Easier. Is it easier?
Okay, yeah. Tira niya si Holly yung buhok niya. Tinanggal ko kasi, ano lang natin siya, yung itatali lang natin siya dito
Wait,
na
Mom,
isa.
I noticed you need a bun.
Yeah, bun. Yeah, that's right. One only. Okay. Ayan, ang cute ni Holly. Oh, let me see. Sana ganito ka-volume yung hair mo, Baba. Oh, sana ganito siya ka, ano.
It was on Dad's side.
Yeah, on that side. Okay. Binibihisan ko na siya kasi alis na kami soon. Let me see, Baba. Baba, look at me. Ganda, ganda. Baba, let me. Ayan, oh, ganyan ba? Oh, look at me, baby. Oh. Smile. Smile properly. Not like that. Ayan, ang ganda ng buhok na gano'n. Yung parang...
What stick do you have for that?
The same. Okay, magluluto na yung rice bago ako umalis kasi mayroon na kaming ulam yung kaldereta na linuto kanina. Initin na lang yun ni Jan. Tapos, saing ako bago ako umalis. Okay? Ayan na yung kanya... Ay. Ayan na siya. Linagyan ko siya ng
I wanna go see.
gel. At saka, nag-spray din tayo nito. Alis na kami ni Holly. Nag-moisturizer lang ako. Wala tayong lipstick. And, tinali ko lang yung buhok ko. Wala na tayong time mag-plancha-plancha. Sa ano lang naman tayo pupunta? Sa dance lesson ni Holly. Okay, come on. Put your jacket. Your jacket, please. Ano, lolis na, Baba? Kanina pa sila naglo-lolis. Here, put the jumper. Maglamig. Ay, suotin ko si aking... Ano, yung mabalahibo ba? Eto. Kasi sobrang... Ayun pa. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Gamit ko phone. Phone ang gamit natin, guys. Suotin natin to. Okay, come on. Kuya, that bag. Yung chocolate niya doon. Okay. Come on. Kumakain rin siya ng... Ayan, crackers and... Yan yung French onion dip. Si baby andyan. Okay. And pop. Drink. Okay, come on. Let's go. See you, boys!
Say that, boy.
Dito na kami. You're gonna start soon, Baba. Give me your jacket now. Okay. Good luck. See ya. Okay. See ya. You smile, okay? Photoshoot nila din ngayon. Okay? Go inside. Yeah. You will be warm. Come on, go now.
I have a cold.
Stop itching, Baba. Okay, go. Yeah, okay, go inside now. Okay, go inside now and smile, okay? And look the camera, okay?
Why?
Because of photo shoot today. Come on. Okay, Holly, go there now. Go inside. Okay, good luck.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count.
Calls tayo. Tapos na si Holly Mag. Dance lesson dito tayo sa calls. Kuha tayo mga drinks. And baon nila. Did you? Okay, thank you. I think we need a bigger one, Baba.
Mom, these ones, Mom.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets.
It's so hard.
Yesterday
It's
has
so
gone
hard,
to
Baba.
sleep.
Hard.
that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. Lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
Yeah, I got one. Alright, put it in your... Yeah, careful. Nakuha ko pala maliliit. Pero yun, may nakuha siya yung malalaki. Good job, Papa.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
What you been getting, Papa?
I got roll-ups and Stevie Doo Ghost.
Ghost?
Yeah, because it was on Halloween yesterday.
Ah, right.
We'll eat all these snacks and covers. We love it.
Pardon?
There's a lot.
Okay, get 3. Favorite ka ni TJ na raspberry shortcake. Slow down. Last one. Okay, let's go.
That's at the smile.
You're right, babe.
Maybe he'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry. Didn't beg him to stay.
Yung isa dun, busy din kumuha. What did you get there, Baba? What's that one? Honey soy chicken. Okay. Yeah.
It was with the yellow
Yellow chips. Okay.
There we go. As there he goes. I know I did him wrong. Something is broken inside me. I got what I gave. I am worthy. I feel this way, but I want him to know.
pop tops. Nandito pa. So, binigyan niya na ako ng raspberry. Nahanap niya yung apple. Ito yung apple.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
Bayad na tayo, guys. Come on, Papa.
Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way.
Yeah, let's go. Thank you. Good night. Okay, tapos na tayo dito, guys. Yeah, let's go home. Uwi na tayo. Meron din si Holly doon. Yung mga snacks nila. You're gonna eat one of them. Okay, yan na yung ating pinag-grocery today. Bahay na kami, guys. Thanks, babe. Binaba na nila yung mga pinag-grocery ko. Iyan ko na yung vlog. Bukas magpa-vlog ulit ako kasi organize ko yung fridge. And gamitin ko yung, alam niyo na, yung bago kong toy. Well, actually, nagamit ko na yung isang glass. Bukas ipakita ko sa inyo. Nilagyan ko ng fruit salad. So, bukas na lang. And eto, ayusin ko to. Ilagay ko muna sa freezer yung mga dapat ilagay sa freezer. Tapos, bukas, mag-vlog tayo. Mag-organize ako ng fridge. We'll see, guys. Okay? Okay. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Gutom na ako. Kumain na sila. So, yun na yung vlog. Thank you, si Holly. Nag-shower na siya. So, thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
Because I think I do want you next to me.